Because Jesus, we know, is a great storyteller. But whenever Jesus told a story, there was a twist somewhere. So you would be expecting it to go this way, and he would take you to a place that was so perhaps out of left field. You're wondering did you hear him right? Did you hear what he was saying correctly? Today you're going to hear Jesus say, I am the true grapevine. So friends, let's remind ourselves then that this image that Jesus is using is the symbol of how the nation of Israel understands itself. The vine was part and parcel of Jewish imagery. It's the very symbol of how Israel understood itself then and still today, by the way. The grapevine. Jesus said, by the way, I am the true vine. Chapter 15, verse 1. That word true in the original, we really should be translating as authentic or real or genuine. In the Old Testament passages or the Torah, often when the prophets spoke about the vine and those brief verses, I took them out of context. If you go into the context of those verses, they all land up saying, but what is wrong with you, nation of Israel? The prophets are confronting the brokenness or the sinfulness of the nation. It's often how the vine image was used. You have failed in what your responsibilities are. How can you be the vine?